What is that? Yeah, I have her number. Bye.
You alright?
Oh, I'm fine.
Like it. Say bye.
I can't. Humanities, elevator rides. What do you mean?
I was like, you guys.
Huh? No, he
you
like
guys.
Lily. Every time we see him, we hear that noise.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Weren't you with him?
No. No, I was talking to him. Like, I
Oh
don't know.
yeah, Lily. Every time he goes in and out of somewhere, he like makes that noise. I think he's trying to like get a reaction out of people.
Guest. If you're a guest and you're staying here, you will stay in room 6 to 12. If you're on level 14, you're in the executive floor. It's different. You got a text? Is that your text notification?
No. Well, hopefully it'll go all the way back in.
Whoa, what?
Is that you?
Yeah? Uh-huh. Wow. Good, cool. So you're gonna get home?
That's down anyway. Oh, wait.
Yeah, we're.
You get on.
You guys don't want to get in this one anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
We have stops there at grocery store. Get out
We're all 12-year-olds.
That's how it works.
Glad we bonded.
The second I got in here and saw you and tried to do what was going on.
Do you have a little noisemaker? Or is that real?
That wasn't me. It's the real deal.
Greatest day of my life right now.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Really? You've been pooping all day?
A lot of shit's been going down.
What the? Are you fucking kidding me, Ryan? Oh my god.
I told you it was seriously bad.
Oh my god. I think you should.
I think I seriously have to go again.
Are you fucking serious right now? Oh my god! Bring in the ladder!
I was trying to be funny like when I was fucked. I told you! You good at mom shit? Earlier.
You're so gross. Oh my god.
This is fucking embarrassing.
You're fucking disgusting.
I told you I should.
You're good at mom.
Get it, girl? I woke up like this. That's some crazy shit. I'm gonna eat McDonald's. Get me some. I'm not using that.
You're gonna eat cold. Ryan, are you fucking serious right now? Like, all in that pool. Ew, you're gross. Don't even fall.
Get me something. So you're gonna leave already? I told you.
You want to?
Like old
Dude, I haven't played a game in so long. I ain't played.
People are gonna be like, oh, hey, me too.
You're fucking so gross.
We're just kidding. Look, you're part of a prank. He's bored on the vlogs because he doesn't do anything. He sits in a
You
pool.
don't do anything.
I do a lot of weird shit.
Okay, let's.
When I used to,
I fucking
yeah.
hate you.
Guess what?
What's wrong with you?
You just got pranked. That's
No,
what
I didn't.
I used to play this when I was younger. I used to cheat. I used to get out of the pool. I get to deal with this on a daily basis for vlog channels.
Ryan, I hate you.
You got pranked!
You're such a dummy. I hate you. Just close my eyes.
No, you're gonna cover them. You're gonna cheat.
No, I'm not. Marco.
Oh.
No.
Å, fy faen! Unnskyld meg. Unnskyld, hva er det? Hvor flyger det? Oh my god. Are you crazy?
Yeah, I'm crazy. We're filming a YouTube video.
What's up, homie? Huh? Think you're tough or something, motherfucker? What's up, buddy? Think you're fucking tough? Come at me. Come at me. What's up, bro? What's up, motherfucker? Bro, which one of you motherfuckers wants your teeth caved in?
What are you talking about?
The fucking tooth fairy, homie. I'm here to collect.
The fuck? Bro,
Call him up.
hello?
Which one of you motherfuckers wants to square up?
What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga?
Come on! Come on!
Yeah, check that out. I'm just, oh, look. Stay in school, right? Peekaboo, I see you. You ever seen anything like this? Have you ever seen it? It's a joke, dude. Look. Don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs. Oh, man. Get there.
Test your might. Finish him!
What is that? What happened?
What just happened?
I don't know.
How did that just happen?
I don't know. You guys have nice butts. Nice butts. time. Look. What the f*** are you guys doing? Stop crying, all right? Everything's gonna stop crying, all right? Yo, stop. Hey, stop.
Take your hands away from me right now.
What's it?
Man.
Oh, dude. Come on, Pound It. That was good. What'd you think?
I think I was about to whoop your ass real quick.
Dude, thanks for being a good sport.
Have fun out here, guys.
Thanks, dude.
No, please. No, please, here, take my wallet. I'll give you money for you in a week. Just give me some time.
My money, man.
Just 1 week, please. No. Are you ready? Stop laughing. Someone's coming. Are you ready? Yes? All right, someone's coming. Good. This one's good, dude. Yo, boss, just give me a week, please. Listen to me. Here's my money for now. I have kids. Oh, please. Oh, Dad! Get ready. No, they're not here yet. Oh, here, hold on. No. Just give me a week. Here's my wallet. Just, guys, help me. I got a shit, dude. I got a fucking shit, dude. Oh my god, dude. There's a hundo right there too. Damn, fuck, dude.
Supposed to be funny or something, bro?
Yeah.
It's not, bro. It's really not, bro.
Waiting for, okay, that's that. Thank you.
Are you really driving like that?
It's my Halloween costume.
Oh.
Yeah. I have to.
Why would you open the window? Girl!
Hi, baby. Oh my god, what is this? I like your outfit. Don't touch me.